Right, so I'm filming the moon because it's tipping over. Alright, so starting off like that. It's almost 6 o'clock in the evening. I'm going to give you another check on that in a bit and we can see what's happening, because it appears to be rolling as it goes across the sky. So yeah, that's like 6 o'clock now. I'll leave it like this for a bit to record and then we'll have a look at it in a bit. Peace. Right, YouTube, it's now 9 o'clock. Let's have a look at the moon now. We'll compare that to what we took earlier and we'll see if in fact the moon appears to be rolling. It does. It appears to be rolling forward. That's 3 hours apart, those. Check again at midnight. Right, YouTube, it's 10:30. Have a look at the moon. Right, let's have a look. What do you think then? Looks like it's rolled. It does. I will compare them, but it definitely looks like the moon's sort of rolling, tipping over as it goes over. I don't know if it's supposed to do that. And there we go. It's 1:15 midnight, so just over 6 hours from that first shot of the moon. And I can tell you right now, without a doubt, 100% the moon has rolled. Definitely. It's bloody freezing when I want to go to bed. I'll leave that like that just for a minute, just so you can see. So we've got a comparison, but yeah, the moon is definitely rolling. Right, very strange. I'm freezing. It's freezing out there. Right, peace.